Hi guys, if this looks like something you'd like to learn how to make, please stick around and let's do this together. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be learning how to make knot twist headband. You can easily make this and make some cool cash. So the measurements we're going to be using for this headband, you're going to be cutting two pieces of 18 by 7 inch fabric, just 18 inches by the length and 7 inches by the width. So you're going to be needing two of those. Then you're going to be cutting one piece that's 11 inches by the length and 3 inches by the width. So that's what you're going to need. Then you're going to need your elastic band, your 0.5 inch elastic band, just 5 inches of that one. This measurement makes a headband for an average adult. So yes, now you're going to fold all those pieces into two and you're going to sew them down by 0.5 inches. The three pieces you're going to be sewing all down. So now I've gone ahead to sew it down by 0.5 inch, and what I'm just going to be doing now is to turn everything in and iron them, making sure that the seam is at the center for the three pieces. So now I'm going to be putting the elastic into the small piece, the 11 by 3 inches piece. So I'm just going to be putting the elastic into the casing, just like so, like what you're seeing me doing. Then I'll go ahead and sew it down, the elastic with the fabric, so that it doesn't come out, just to prepare it like this. And I'm going to fold one of the long pieces. I'm going to fold it into two like this, and I'm going to pick up the small piece, place the smooth side in, not the part with the seam, but the smooth side. You're just going to place it on it like this, then fold both ends over it, just as you see me do. Just fold it this way and fold the other. So you can pin it down, then go to your sewing machine and just run a stitch on it like so. So now we have it. We're just going to pick the second piece of fabric and put it in. This is going to give us that knot twist design. Yes, you're just going to put it in like that, and then you're just going to flip over so that you repeat the same thing you did previously to the second part of the headband. So you flip it over and you repeat the same thing. Make sure that the smooth part is the one facing the fabric, and then fold and go to your sewing machine to sew that down as well. So as you can see, yes, you just go down and sew it down. Now you're just going to turn it, and there you have it. That's your headband. It's so cute, it's so fast to make, it's so easy to make. Even if you don't have a sewing machine, you can actually use your needle and thread, and it's just so easy. You can sell this and make some cool money. Thank you for watching.